get to work, numbskull.
I'm done. Is this yours?
Yeah. Now clean it, numbskull.
All right, guys, I'm constantly asked, what do I think about the Ford GT500? Unfortunately, guys, I'm really disappointed. The numbers that I'm starting to see so far, they just really don't impress me. Like I told the people earlier, I do not think Ford is going to step up. We all know that if you want a fast car and you drive a Ford or Chevy, you have to buy the car and mod it yourself, which voids your warranty. Once you do that, guys, it's just big bank take little bank as far as I'm concerned. Who has the deepest pockets, you know? Why they won't build their fan base a fast car, particularly on the drag strip, is beyond me. Most of the people that I know, they drag race. They do not road course race. Then I hear people that make smart comments, you know, oh, the Demon can't take a curve. The Corvette will beat the Demon on the road course, or put the Demon out on the public street. Come on, guys, let's be honest. Nobody's turning at 130 miles an hour. I just don't see it. And I don't see people ripping in and out of traffic, racing in and out of traffic, unless there's some fool or some idiot. What you do see is guys trying to race from street light to street light, which I don't advocate, or roll racing. All that's done in a straight line. Now, the drag strips have recognized this, and they're trying to get those people off the public roads and get them back to the drag strip. They're even allowing roll racing at the drag strips, and they're doing non-prep for those that want to run on a non-prep course. But they're getting the drag racers back to the drag strip. So it is beyond me why Ford will not build their fan base a true drag car, which Dodge has done with the Demon and also with the 1320. So for all my Ford guys who constantly spit out information, oh, you wait till the GT500 comes out and Venoms Kills Demons. Believe you me, if Ford wanted to build a race car, they could build it. The Cobra Jet is a beast. If you look at Rod Hetzel's Cobra Jet, I don't think the drag pack is faster than the Cobra Jet, and I don't think the Copo Camaro is faster than a Cobra Jet. But those are purpose-built race cars. Heck, the drag pack has a Ford rear end in it, and I think the same thing with the Camaro, the Copo Camaro. So, can Ford build you a fast car? Yes. Will they build you a fast car? No. For my friends like Stang Mode, who loves his Ford Mustang, bruh, they're not going to do it. Ford is not going to give you what you want. They could care less about what their fan base is asking for. To be honest with you guys, I'm really disappointed that Ford did not build a car capable to challenge the Dodge Demon. With all the racing history, and after seeing what the Cobra Jet can do through my driving instructor Rod Hetzel, and seeing what modded Mustangs can do from guys like Raphael and Third Degree, man, it's just, to me, it's a big letdown. I know it's a big kick in the pants for those guys. You guys are gonna have to keep doing what you're doing, which is building your own car. I don't mod my Demon. I don't have to mod my Demon. All I gotta do is learn to drive it. Now, at some point in time, would I mod my Demon? Who knows? Maybe I would, but it's others out there that have already modded their Demons. And by modding them, man, they run really fast with just doing little things to them. So with that said, my Ford friends, when I see you on the track, do not ask me about Venom killing demons. Stop it. Cut it out. It's not going to happen. Go buy you a Ford for about $25,000. Invest about $20,000 in mods in it, and then you'll have you a real beast. Then you can come see me on the drag strip. Other than that, your company is not going to build you a fast car and put a warranty behind it. They do not have the cojones to do it. If you want a fast car built and a company to back it, you're going to have to go see Dodge. It's just that simple. Anyway, guys, you know what I'm doing. Snatching souls. Peace.
Wow, these are really cool.
Yeah, since you'll be driving and all, I figured it, you know.
I can't let you do that.
Can't let me do what?
I can't possibly take the Mustang.
Give you my Mustang? You really are a numbskull.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.